Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inga and today I'm going to give you this gorgeous DIY, and most of the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree, so you guys can just watch and relax. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Like this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos from me. For this DIY, I will be using my glue gun, the Octagon candle holders, glass holders from Dollar Tree, the duct tape, that foam board, and scissors. And I will also be using my E6000 glue. And firstly, I'm just going to take those mirrored candle holders and I'm going to use 3 of them and duct tape them together. I think the duct tape gives them a nice hold before you can apply any of the glue to them. And the next thing I'll be doing is attaching the 2 glass holders at both ends, and these will be used as the side pieces for this box. And moving right along, as I get the box into its proper shape and form, I will be using my hot glue gun just to enforce it, and also my E6000. So far this is the step that I got to, and right now I just have the other 3 pieces, side pieces, and I'm just duct taping them also and going around and forcing it with my hot glue gun and the E6000 glue. Don't want to leave the box exposed on the inside, so I'm going to cover it with the foam board that I showed you earlier, and I have my pieces marked out that I'm going to cut, and it's going to be exactly the design of the octagon shape. And they're used to me over there with on my cutting mat rather, and just cutting these foam board pieces into its proper shape and sizes to place inside of the box. I'm also using my hot glue gun to just stick these pieces into place. Moving right along, you guys know that I have to do something glam right here, so I got some diamond mesh from Michaels, and I'm just gonna place them in all of the areas where the glass plates meet. So yeah, this is where I'm at with this now. I'm gonna do it to the sides, in the middle, and I'm doing it all around the entire box. So I'm just finishing off those diamond pieces, and this is the finished look of the box. And right now I'm just wiping it off with some alcohol, because I think that alcohol easily removes the residue from the hot glue. So I did design the box to be used 2 ways, and one of the ways you can use it is on the exposed area right here. I left this area open for a reason, and I'm using these poinsettias that I got from Walmart with those berries, and that hydrangea in the middle I got it from Michaels. And you can just change this decor piece as the seasons come and go. And I did it like this because it's almost Christmas and we're doing Christmas right now, so I think it's a nice Christmas decor piece. And I'm going to show you another way how you can use this decor piece. I got some candle holders from Walmart for $2.86, and I just placed them on the top of this piece. And this is not the exposed side, as you can see. How gorgeous is that? And you can put candle lights or whatever you want to. You can do whatever you want to this decor piece. So I got some coasters from Pier 1 and I just placed it on top of it to show you one of the other ways that you can use it. And yeah, there it is, bling bling. I placed it on top of it, and you can also do it whatever you want to do it with. You can have other type of coasters. You can just stuff flowers in those exposed area right there. And there you have it, guys. So if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos by me. And if you would like to see any more of these DIYs, just let me know in the comments below, because I'm definitely doing a lot more for Christmas. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.